Sure, guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ, and we are back with Speaker Now. We're in an interview. So today we have another rapper from Qumbu because my name rappers are calling up Qumbu. So today we have Sir, welcome to Speaker Now, Grand. As Grand, if it's ukudala ngweza ama features akho from ingoma zabantu abaningi ama different parts. Today sitholile chance ubasiza nawe. Maybe nje siqale nje ubani usesource enigama lakho livela.
Okay, ngiyomelelani akwamkhetezi igama elabadala Bhelo Qunda uMafu Khubone
For sure.
Then uSesosi the cook limlo eligama lithi Sesosi actually comes a long way because it started as Usosi Ostie.
So you come before music.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not I can't like not before music actually. It's like my first stage name when I started music. Then the first name was Usosi Ostie was kind of hard for the artists and Nabantu in general but to understand what it means, and not only that but no good pronounce. So that's how I became Usesosi.
Okay.
So Usesosi, I was actually Usosi Ostie, and then I just removed Ostie so that people can put respect on the name. So like
be simple.
Be simple because like even though being Usosi Ostie, everyone call me Sosi.
Okay. So from ukulele la leni kuqumbu maybe ibhayithani nini le bhayithe hip hop because kuqumbu like ufala like asikho kuma cities la abantu ababiza khona ngama niggas and stuff. So apha Qumbu mhlambe ibhayitha kanjani into hip hop?
Now it comes a long way back. Started back in 2014. I think I was doing grade 7 up at Khanyisa Qumbu. So I had friends who liked music as much as I liked music. Okay. I first liked umculo before starting band Zamukwenza umculo.
For sure.
And then I met a group of friends, 8 Click Sniper, DKs, but now he calls himself like Yani. This is Kim Simon Repana. So together we used to call ourselves a Lil Breezy.
Okay.
So yeah, that was in 2014, and that's when I recorded my first song. So I recorded with Envy. I think you might know him as well. And artist
I'm born.
Yeah, so I found the song Yapikhanyisa. So yeah, in
so now the time saqala le into uqale in a group now.
Yeah, I could say that in a group, even though I was associated as individually, but then we a group called Lil Breezy back then. So as a group,
how many members?
It was actually this one is probably almost 10 members.
This was in high school.
But yeah, I know it was still in primary school. It was still in primary school, but not so on Kibesenza music. So I was just one of the few Benza music.
Okay. Yeah. So we movement like anything different.
Yeah, then we did something different.
In primary.
In primary.
Yo.
I was doing grade 7.
Yo.
Yeah, I was doing grade 7 at that time. So that's when I actually made our first song, started recording and track this EP4. And I think most artists are like a but that's why it all started. Because in the connection about we have something you record, and we used to wait for a classmate but poor make class in the primary school. That's when I transport in the class with us, shake us no record a class and go empty, and there's no one.
So we on a studio session.
We on a studio session as if man because it's the only time I saw if man is song because you can go in the palace, was a Tabasco, was a lower horse.
So what happened to our members of the group?
I like our bangers of music. Yeah, we're still cool friends though.
Yeah, but
nothing happened. Yeah, we're still cool. Yeah, Abanya, but that I used to rap with, are still doing music. Sniper is still good, still doing music and is doing well career. I could say even TK is like Yan is still doing music, even though he hasn't dropped in a long time. But we do talk about music related.
So when I give vision the music, it be clear from a primary.
It has always been them now. Year after year. Okay, maybe I had a few years where I wasn't dropping much, but it has always been there.
Okay, I guess let's focus on career yakho on uqala nini like group maybe your first song. So wedwa ungaseke group.
I think my first song I could as an individual artist was 2016. Selapa Qumbu lapha I was doing grade 9 it was titled Rap Life. That was the first song and I separately away from a group. Yeah.
Producer
Fun fact, in track, like even though besiqale as a group lento, so I was learning a few things in the class. I was starting to learn more. Like Snapper was the one behind engineering most of the time. So now I learned a few things by him. And then when I was home, just home alone, I had a beat, download beat, at Manzami and did the song, Dazama, and often as ethics as his father.
And this time, maybe the time you propose ngoma zakho, like, any movement in there, like a show, no man.
Yeah, by this time in 2016, I would say Umgolo Kumbu was kind of booming that time. There was the Artist Gang, Ukoni LM Trixes, Ukona Artist, Lil Breezy. I don't remember other gangs, but Ukona Geno Kid Section, like other individual artists. So at that time, this man has a show was Power Maspala, and there were big support for that movement as well. Big events see by there, support and back then we still dropping go touch a file host. Sometimes you know, I was trying to Bluetooth, but I'm doing this ngoma yakho uyithandile ngiyamsendela.
Phelela lapha drop anywhere.
Yeah, I went dropping anywhere else by then. And then fast forward 2017. That's when I moved away from Guqumbu and I found in again Gqeberha. But at Gqeberha I only stayed there for 1 year. I came with that rap live song Dandy dropping in 2016. Back then I was still doing moves now by Gqeberha, and then I recorded my other song Nanyamachito Tongo T9. The song was titled Gunzo. Yeah, it was titled Gunzo or something. It's like then Nalapo, it was kind of, but it was not really a group or anything like that, but it was individual artists. Now, if I want the track. And then 2018, I moved back to Joburg. Because back then, they weren't being echo like emotion for me. I did not see Bana economic movement in Zikayo. I did not know people.
So we are still in high school?
Yeah, I'm still in high school that time. And then 2018, that's when I first met Umchito Zonfaka like to a proper studio. I was singing to a proper studio.
Even now, beats from scratch.
Yeah.
It was 2018.
That was in 2018.
So before maybe Spell Up, or anything as a solo artist from 2016 to 2018.
From 2016 to
essentially projects.
Project wise now. I dropped my first project, I think, in 2018. Okay. It was Rap is Still Alive. Then that was me and the cousin.
It was your first one?
That was my first project with my cousin, Wezipi. So I recorded Mchita, Highness the King from Joburg. Now I met him Skela, had a chat about him golden, find out when it's two, one pull up and feature, and we can whip up something, send something, and I called my cousin, went there. Recorded a few songs, one like day by day. Then at the Ahlangana project. The project had about 10 songs.
Okay.
And then it was titled Rap is Still Alive.
So production 100%, the producer.
Production was better, not 100%, but it was better. We were like being as a fan like we're getting better.
I say come out download it this time.
Yeah, no, basically not downloaded. And then I think it was 2019 upon like Spanange beats, which I know downloaded. When Pablo, who was also from Pablo Beats, was posted the beat, well, okay, and it was a free beat actually, but in Zungui. And then I was the artist there of Manala Beat, and I made a song at the Palm Trees. And then from there, that's when I told myself, but now there's no going back. I want to move, I want to work with producers, I want to do something in Yazibayam. But then I was not dropping British.
So along the years, the style circle from Musakala until the point the Misa Kono Pablo. Style circle has changed like because there was a lot of the songs in Israel and most of them Z-Crap.
Yeah.
So maybe Okalanga now maybe
Kalanga English, fun fact. It was 2018 up in experiential rapping because the niggas I made to Highness the King were rapping in his class of cool. He had ties with also Timand, you know, Kizi from Cape Town. They were very big because the business is past. So he had connections now and I love following, and that's when I started let me experiment can I do something is closer? And I dropped this other song, Ama Mene Mene. Bear in mind, this is Joburg, and everyone is already talking about this song, Galapa. Came back home, shot a music video, Mapa it's for that song, Ama Mene Mene. Before I made
so that was a puzzle song.
that was my first song in Yenza ngesiXhosa. Okay.
Oh,
Like
so you know switch from English.
English to isiXhosa. But even then it was like, okay, isiXhosa but the English, but more of isiXhosa than English, like only.
But style besafana. So
Style, yeah, it was becoming different because now it was not about trying to be conscious or it was about
because
making something.
It is my issue about English rap.
Yeah,
But who
because
deep?
you're trying to be conscious
But
for
too
nobody,
deep,
you're trying to
too political and too deep. Like,
so that's when I started, but no, I started liking, following commercial music, seeing Amachita from Tato, Andrew Dinsky, or Chico Dinsky, or Put Legend. One of the niggas who made me know, no, Xhosa is actually the wave move. But even now, I do make music in English, but barely like be English or like not saying even
so
when I rap,
balances.
like saying I cannot balance. Like even when I rap a song like from A to Z, this one I say I know but there's gonna be if me needs English, it's over called Xhosa here and there.
Okay.
Even if me command Xhosa, you back on English here and there.
Okay, let's talk about your first project. Maybe bikhuluma ngani influence yayo bivela i-project yakho lokuqala. Nantu ama-features bosebenze nobani? Maybe around Qumbu, around Joburg, no PE. Bosebenze nobaphi?
Fun fact, I only started working again Amachita Qumbu only recently. On my first project, Married to the Game, the only person at Qumbu was my cousin Wezipi that was featured there because I'm from Akona many. Then on Slaves to the Culture, there was no artist at Qumbu prior. I actually featured Cinematic, Ashan Paktori, they know him like that. I featured him with second solo project, which was Slaves to the Culture. It was more of a follow-up from Married to the Game because Married to the Game was talking about me being committed to this thing in Yenza and slave to the culture. It was also about me being a slave to and in Yenza. And then fast forward, we had dropped Trap Alliance 2021 with all lyrics. That was our collab EP, Trap Alliance. It did not have features from Qumbu artists. It was Awaita from Tembisa. It was Oflako with beats. Amachita that we made a scale. That time I'm in P, back in P, in Seva City then. Because Seva City in 2021. That was after I dropped United Slave to the Culture.
Okay.
And then after that, I was doing features, the span and the Machita Qumbu, Gotix, the span of Notix Delta going on to pay up, we JPR. And then I started curating Enyang tape. It was actually supposed to be tape. Then, due to unforeseen circumstances, that's why I dropped as EP, Illumination EP. Then it had most gay Abantu Baqumbu needs. A1 was actually featured with Nancy and A1 was actually featured with Trap Alliance, Liam the lyrics. A1 was there.
Now he's been around for a while.
Yeah, he's been around for a while. Yeah. But Electric is back there, groups is it. But yeah. Then I managed to come to Spana and there's Spana no Tix no kids section again. We're learning to track it to Kolonyaka. The Spana no Local M, no M Kindness, but our song is still not out yet. Yam no Local M, no M Kai. Then I do have another collab, no M Kindness, no Buddha Stu that is out in Metis Lala.
So group ama projects even more than 3 then kanukala ngokusebenza nabantu baqumbu like busa push i-brand outside.
Explore brand outside and also watching Amachita moves zabo who's working and who's not. Because Amachita is Spanana or Lapacum, it's actually people in Babonle, but they also have the same love for Mkulo Swenzayo and Abobaya push wherever they are. And we're actually working virtually. We can't just look at any studio besides MKN since this is a Kobeha that's and we have so many songs in MKN, so I won't talk much about them.
Okay, maybe money around Kobeha, akhona ama movement enwenzayo la kupush music, maybe ukathenda ama interview kuma radio station, kuma podcast, even na ku TV, akhona ama appearance usuke wawenza kwezinye indawo.
Yeah, we did. We started an event. It's Moshing Epai. It's Moshing Epai.
Which year?
Yeah, it was in 2024. so event ethi moshing eBhayi
Host yini event?
host city
Amajita
event
Qumba,
because
host
like
PE.
ku-event esibizwa kuzo asibhadala sometimes uyakwazi ukubizwa event then you don't even get to perform.
Yeah, I know.
Or even if you perform
I know ama-promoters.
uzophinda ususe ba okay ngokusuka ngokuya uqebile yabo.
Yeah.
Then that's when saza an idea basokwenza event we're gonna call the people on that call sabizwa eMkhainesi because I know ba it's my homie from way back cousin yami futhi eMkhainesi so I had to that abekhona phaya sabatasha namanye amajita. Fun fact, the big guys ngala xesha base PE, okay, not that big yet, but Osleys no Kafi came out of their own accord. Babone posted the event everybody like okay that's an event you must have the poster they are coming, but Kafi never put him the poster. Osleys was on our poster, came and performed
For free. And those are
Okay, no, okay, so I mean, just riders, because khona imali esasenzile throughout that event, ticket sales. I won't disclose the amount. But yeah, we pushed the event to event we got a call up at Mpuma Kappa TV, Sama Mpuma Kappa TV,
Okay,
with Porter Stewart.
It is big.
With the Porter Stewart, no, Scottish,
So.
which was ezinye inansika organizers benisebenza nazo kule event besipusha. After that, we went to Matibaz Radio, which is a radio station near Paeskela in Nelson Mandela University.
Online.
Saya Matibaz Radio napha. And after that, yeah.
No, na push. I think ne raise ifleka Qumbu noma seni away.
Yeah, that's yes.
I know. I think na push. So the project yakho maybe zikhona indawo sokwe pusha kuyona noma nje usekuyona le campaign.
Yeah, now like it's starting from 2021 I dropped like Shepa license lyrics. That's when I started drop akunansika with digital platforms and
so even though they dropping on November nayo ikhona ama platforms.
Yona actually because of it is inansika it is about khona it distribute. I was only available ku YouTube na ku Audio Mac. Okay. But I'm still working on that but ifike ku digital platforms before my next project. Before my next project. If you never connect with stores before my next project.
Say a micro on November say
yeah, it's still the time.
So that my radio station uzo benefit kuma royalties. Asibafuna abantu ukuspeaker nawo abantu abafika and then music kwabo uyadlala radio but abatholi lutho because awukho registered and stuff. So I think I movement yabonakala kuyapush. Kuyapush. Maybe from the latest project yakho mhlawumbe uspeaker nawo ungasiperformela ziphi ingoma noma maybe uzophila uthathe from ama previous projects iziphi ingoma.
I'm going to perform ingoma from enze perform from tape my latest tape is Uchinco's. And then I'm going to perform in it Abantoli. It was requested specially by the perform because there is a name it in Peter Kumumkolo. So people wanted me to like buy it's one of my songs this time long band. So yeah, I'm just going to perform Abantoli and Uchinco's.
Okay, and unya usaqala maybe athina ama plans ufuna uyithatha uyibeke i-career yakho like this year what are we doing shows. Are we dropping more music?
That's the plan, that's the plan, brother. This year I want to do more shows. Even if sometimes the appearances, because show your figure as an artist, because even to support emotion and now buyers, but I'm also into this because now move back to HOB. So again on a part, emotion is not really there because you want to be teaching
yeah.
But you have to do your own thing before you want to say so emotionally corner yes a parameter but you have to be known, you have to be with a certain connection online before you get connected like that. So that's my plan but I want to be regular even when there's an event or whatnot, be regular and even if I'm going to support a show using artists or anything like that, you be call.
Yeah, I think it's especially for our new kids.
Yeah, for artists, yeah.
New wave.
It does not matter if you're rapping a soul on a Xhosa, but if you are doing something, it's in that Nandi, it's like if you're abantu that is commercial nowadays.
So around maybe like Qumbu nomthatha noTsolo maybe bakhona usafuna usipana nabo ungasipana especially ama.
Yeah, there is a few artists afuna usipana nazo ngingasipani nazo. Yes, I worked with Pablo once, but that was way back. So yes, I still want to do work with Pablo, but yeah, we've been talking. In London, I've worked with A1, I've worked with Otix, Kutsolo, a few artists I think Khalo Spananazo.
I want to mention bakujongile lapho. Bani
I'm not sure what it's all about. I just say
awuna beef nama-niggas.
no, I'm not beef. Okay, yeah, there is an artist actually, Umzikaro. Umzikaro does umculo that is not hip hop trap like this, but I am a versatile artist.
Commercial music kwayo.
Yeah, at the same time, umculo ba ikazimanyana ngabantu abadala. I also tap in with sound enjalo. If someone does check project zami will see bana every time I drop a project it's not going to be a trap song from one to
nazo lezi ngoma
melodical. Yes, there's many.
Lezo understand abantu abaregular bangawona ama-fans.
Yeah.
Okay,
and then
siyithanda lo sound because you are se radio le ba
it's that sound. So the artist enjalo mna.
So
I wanna try new things because I know with Umzikaro it's gonna be trap, but at the same time it's going to be different, something different. Even Gaspana Umzikaro or Rusia Imbasa. He was a mjito kula na epaya. So then Mtata, I say Uleji, put lecture like work with Uleji. And Rodinsky, yes, I met him once, but we never really worked because I once met him in PE, but yeah, that's one of the artists and I was nazo.
Okay. I know kuyazwakala. I think i-movement yakho iyabonakala kuyaphushwa. So apha eJozi I think in the position right la nekhona.
Yeah, so the position right, you just have to
kumele nje nibe ama-appearance
socialize,
u-connection uzocreatekela wona because ndiku-space esimuvayo and laphana eBram as you said laphana even ako-Soweto ama-shows maningi. So nje kumele non-show up support amajita izovuleka opportunity kuthiwa perform and stuff and izokala lapha
plan le. That's the plan because already umshita ngiqale nayo eSniper asehlala eJoburg and he's on that movement. He's always getting bookings. Yabo uyabhukwa because naye starte kanjalo from zero ndithi behlala ePhumlong naye Thembisa but then he moved to eJoburg emane ezihamba izinto until he got the chance ba naye azoperform.
So dike nani close to
we still close athetha
ningafiki eJozi ke nifike ni rap ngento yangale eJozi ningawulibala oqumba because once waqala wasanda la kamanika zaseJozi walahleka lo ma route ngeke usaba relevant ekuthina la because abaningi bafika lapha neJozi befike be switch sifuna so rap ngesiZulu nawe so hamba namaqwelazi lapha so rap ngeqwela. So speaker now nje sabonga ukuthi ufike kwi-show because kudala sibona i-movement yakho la from o-Domec na ku-YouTube. So maybe ukuthi sibone uspeaker nawo ufile nanothi i-flag laqumba lireza noma ngekho apha qumbu. So sayifuna ukubona lo movement lo iqhubeka nje. So nje shout out to you ukuthi ufike uspeaker nawo. Mhlawumbe abantu bangakuthola lapha kuma-socials abafuna ukulandela.
Socials uSesosi everywhere, Facebook uSesosi uSesosi wakhona qombhala is SIRRSAUWCY and Sesosi also on IG but it's _Sosi. Sesosi or the cook go TikTok.
Okay, so khona everywhere. Okay, I know.
Spotify, Apple Music, Sesosi.
Okay, I know. Kuyazwakala. So uspeaker nawe nathi sekhona ku Twitter @speaker nawe, Facebook speaker nawe, sikhona ku YouTube speaker nawe. Awena.
Always.